What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with the 2021 Camaro ZL1 1LE and we're going to be installing a ZL1 1LE conversion, splitter and side skirts. Gloss black to match the wing. Extreme Line Store hooked it up and we're going to jump right into it. First up, let's see what tools are required for this. Alright, so for this install we're going to need a jack stands, a ratchet, socket kit, but 7mm, 4mm hex bit, 10mm, keep an eye on it so it doesn't get lost. Drill with a 3/16 drill bit, something to pry out the front rivets. Cleaner and some rubbing alcohol. Now that I got the car raised, let's get the front splitter out with a 7mm socket all around, and then it's got some rivets. We'll remove that too. Alright, so I got the stock splitter out, got it all cleaned up. The only issue I had was it has hidden rivets kind of on the inside in between the splitter, you know, and the bumper. You can get the ones from the bottom, the 7mm from the bottom, the rivets from the bottom, the metal rivets, but then in between there's some, so you actually have to go like inside the bumper and get a couple of them. And to get to them, I had to use a T10, so I can get these 3 out of here, so I can pull this away and kind of get on the inside and get to them and just kind of break them out. So right now I'm gonna test fit, and then I'm gonna wipe down the ZL1 1LE splitter real quick, put the double-sided tape on it and peel off the edges just a little bit, put it on, put a couple bolts on and rip off all the tape, stick it on there and finish up putting all the bolts. Alright, now to put the winglets with the 4mm hex and provided screws. And I don't know, but I'm guessing one of this means right and one of them means left. Find out. Alright, all done. Look at that. Really aggressive. So, ZL1 1LE front splitter done. Now let's jump on to the side skirts. Alright, so for the side skirts, I'm gonna do a test fitting. At the same time, I'm holding it in place where it's supposed to go, and I'm marking the holes so then I can take it off and drill it. Alright, so now that the holes are marked, I clean both sides up. I gotta drill this side with the 3/16 and clean it again. Then I'm gonna put this double side tape on the side skirt, and then I'm gonna use the self-tapping screws to put it in. Alright, all done. ZL1 1LE splitter and side skirts. Got it all done. Looks pretty good. They're under with double-sided tape and self-tap screws to match the gloss black wing. It looks really good, really good. I'm gonna get some 1LE badges on, clean up this mess, get the car out here, and skip to the best part with the music in 3, 2, 1.
Check this.
So there you have it, ZL1 1LE splitter and side skirts. Completes the look with the wing. Makes the car look so good, wide and aggressive. If you want to check them out, check out their website, extremeonlinestore.com. They got stuff for C6, C7, C8 Corvettes, Chargers, Mustangs, ATSVs, Camaro of course. Check them out on the website. We'll put a link in the description. Easy to install. Love the product, love the finish on the paint. Everything was pretty easy to do. So after having everything done and installed, the way the car looks, the finish, the easy install, you definitely get 2 thumbs up. So go check them out. And that's pretty much it. If you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe to see what's coming around next. Let us know what you think of how the car looks in the comments. And see you on the next one. Peace.